Hey guys, what's up? So Xiaomi was one of the first companies to launch the Mi 10 powered by the latest flagship Snapdragon processor, the Snapdragon 865 this year, and the same could be the story next year as Xiaomi is expected to launch the Mi 11 series based on the Snapdragon 875. Now the Mi 11 series has already leaked a few times revealing some of the features that it might get, and as usual Xiaomi will be launching two phones in the series, the vanilla Mi 11 and the Pro variant. The Pro of course gets the best features, so it is expected that the Mi 11 Pro will have a quad curved display along with a QHD Plus resolution. Now Xiaomi flagships have always had Full HD Plus displays, so the Mi 11 having a QHD Plus resolution is kind of a big deal. We saw this with the OnePlus 8 Pro last year, and now the same is happening with the Mi 11 Pro. So flagship killers are slowly becoming proper flagships, adopting most of the higher end features. Now I still think QHD Plus is an overkill for smartphones, and even Samsung is rumored to offer Full HD Plus displays on the S21 and the S21 Plus, while only the S21 Ultra will sport a QHD Plus resolution, which kind of validates the theory. Also, the vanilla Mi 11 would still get a Full HD Plus resolution though, which is fine. So apart from the resolution, the quad curved edges are something that I'm not a fan of, but it's expected the curvature is not as prominent as on the P40 Pro, so that should be okay I think. Also, the Mi 11 series is rumored to make the jump to a 120Hz refresh rate, which is like the standard for high refresh rate displays and should only add to the overall experience of using these phones. The Mi 10 series was one of the first to introduce a 108MP camera on a smartphone, and that will continue with the Mi 11 as well. However, the Mi 11 Pro would adopt a 50MP primary camera instead of the 108MP seen on the predecessor, and according to Ice Universe, that might have something to do with the quality of the images captured by the 108MP Samsung sensor. Xiaomi has actually used the 108MP HM2 sensor from Samsung on the recently launched Redmi Note 9 Pro 5G, which is a $250 phone, so you can judge how happy they are with these 108MP sensors. The Mi 11 might get a triple camera setup with a 108MP primary, an ultra wide and another telephoto camera, while the Pro would get a 50MP primary, a 16MP ultra wide and a 12MP telephoto. There are rumors of improved stabilization on these phones, but nothing specific if it's hardware or software based improvement. One thing that we can be sure of is that these phones will be powered by the latest Snapdragon 875 processor. In fact, the Geekbench score has already leaked with the phone scoring 1105 points in single core and 3512 points in the multi-core department. Also, the phones might get the 100-watt charging solution that Xiaomi showcased almost a year back. That being said, do let me know what do you think about the Mi 11 series in the comment section. That's it for this video. Thanks a lot for watching. Smash the like button if you liked it and subscribe to the channel for more tech videos. I will see you all in the next one. Till then, bye bye and stay safe.